Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles. Kishore here, and today we are going to solve a classic Sudoku from the Hindu newspaper. The Hindu is the national newspaper of India and they usually publish a Sudoku each day. The Sudoku gradually increases in difficulty and the difficulty is rated by stars. The Sudoku we are going to solve today is rated the highest in difficulty and is given 5 stars. Now before starting the Sudoku, there are some general ways by which you can solve a classic Sudoku faster. Even most of the top solvers in the world, they use this way, and that way is to notate the digits in the cells, because when you start notating digits, you don't need to remember them later, and just by seeing the pencil marks you can start writing the digits faster. Now let's have a look at the rules of the Sudoku. Each row, each column and each box in the grid will have digits 1 to 9. The rules are simple. So with that, we'll start solving the Sudoku. We'll look for digits that can be placed using simple classic rules. There is a 6 in column 8 and a 6 in column 7. So 6 in box 3 can be narrowed down to one of these two cells. And focusing on the 6s, there is a 6 in row 7, a 6 in row 8, that means a 6 will be in one of these two cells in box 7. Okay, there is a 6 in column 4. Now the 6 in box 2 will be in one of these three cells because of this 6. Now the 6 in box 5 has only one cell left, and that is going to be in row 6 column 6 because of this 6. And now we can narrow down the 6 in one of these two cells. Now because of the 6's in here and here, the 6 cannot be anywhere in column 1 and column 3, because if a 6 is in row 5 and column 1, the 6 will be forced in row 9 and column 3, and similarly the other way around. If the 6 is in row 5 column 3, the 6 will be forced in row 9 column 1. There can never be any 6's along columns 1 and columns 3. So we can pencil mark the 6 in column 2 to one of these two cells. And because of the 8 in column 6 and the 8 in row 7, we can narrow down 8 to one of these two cells in box 8, and that gives us an 8 in box 5 at row 5 column 4 because of this 8. And we can narrow down the position of 8s in box 9 also, and we can place using classic rules. There is an 8 in row 5 column 1, row 6 column 1, row 7 column 2, which gives us an 8 in row 2 column 3. And now a 7 can be narrowed down in box 4 to one of these two cells. There is a 7 in column 3 and a 7 in row 6 and a 7 in column 2. So 7 will be in one of these two cells. And because of the 7 in row 3 and the 7 in column 8, 7 in box 3 will be in one of these three cells only. It cannot be here and it cannot be here and here. And now we can place the 7 in row 2 column 5 because of this 7 and the 7's here and the 7 here. We can place the 7 in row 2 column 5. I'll remove the corner pencil mark and place the 7 there, and that gives us 7 immediately in column 6. Right, there is a 3 in row 1 column 6 and row 2 column 7. That gives a 3 in row 3 column 1. And because of the 3 in column 1 and the 3 in row 6, in box 4 there can be only two possibilities for the 3. It cannot be in row 6 and it cannot be in column 1. So 3 will be in one of these two cells. That gives us a 3 in row 8 and column 2. And that gives a 3 in row 9 column 9. Right? There cannot be 3 here in this row and there cannot be 3 in this row. And there are 3's in column 7 and 8, which gives a 3 here. And box 5 we can notate the 3's. Only these two possibilities for 3 in box 5. Right, I think we have made possible pencil marks everywhere. Let's start notating a little bit in detail. Column 6 has been marked with 6 digits, so it is a good place to start. 2, 3, 4, 8, 6 and 7 are there already. and 1 cannot be here, so this will be row 5 column 6 will be 5 9, this will be a 159 and this will be a 15 under 9. And again column 2 is a good place to pencil mark your digits because 6 digits are there. 1, 2, 5, 3, 7, 8 have been placed. 4, 6 and 9 are to be placed. So this will be a 4 or a 9 because of this 6. So this will be a 4, 6 and 9 and this will be a 4, 6 and 9. Okay, because of the 2 in row 2, 2 cannot be in row 3 column 4 and row 3 column 5. So 2 can be pencil marked to one of these two cells along that row. And now we have notated 2 to one of these two cells, 6 to one of these two cells and 7 to one of these two cells. So row 2 column 8, there are only 2 possibilities left, 1 and a 4. 3, 5, 8 and 9 and 2, 6 and 7 are not possible. So this cell is going to be a 1 or a 4. And let's notate row 2 a little bit now. 2, 3, 5, 7, 8 have been marked. 1, 4, 6 and 9 are left. So this cell is going to be a 1, 4 or a 9. And we immediately see now that there is only one cell left for the 6 in row 2. 6 cannot be here because of this 6. 6 cannot be here because we have pencil marked 6 to one of these two cells. And 6 cannot be here because we have pencil marked 6 to one of these two cells. So 6 using box reduction can come only in row 2 column 2. So this cell immediately becomes a 4 and a 9. And we can remove the corner pencil mark from there. Okay. And 9 is in column 1. So 9 can be narrowed down to one of these two cells. We can notate that using the corner pencil mark. And because of this 9s and coupled with this 9 in row 3, there is only one cell left for the 9 in row 2, which is going to be row 2 column 4. And there is a 4 in box 5 now. I am focusing on column 4 because we just placed a 9 there. And that means 4 can be narrowed down to one of these two cells. And we can pencil mark the digits left out. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 have been placed. So this will be a 1, 5. This will be a 1, 4 because 5 is there, and this will be a 1, 4 out of 5. And row 2 will be, row 2 column 1 will only be a 1 or a 4 because there is a 1, 4 here, and rest of the digits have been placed. So the other cell will be a 1 or a 4. Okay, along column 8, we can see that 2 is not in this cell, 2 is not here, and 2 is not in row 9 column 8 as well. So 2 can only be is row 8 column 8. Does that give any more 2's? No, I think it just gives possible positions of the 2's in box 7. So we can pencil mark column 8 now. So this will be a 1, 4 or a 1 or a 5. There is a 4 in row 4, and this will be a 1, 4 or a 5. Right? Hope it's clear to follow until here. Okay, if you look at this cell, row 6 column 3, 1, 2 and 8 are not possible, and 3, 6 and 7 are not possible. So the only possibilities left are 4, 5 or 9, but 5 is again not possible. So this is going to be a 4 or a 9. That helps us now because now we have locked 4, 9 to one of these two cells. That is really good for us, a step for us. Okay, 1, 2, 8, 4 and 9 are locked in these cells. Now the left out digits are 3, 5, 6 and 7 in box 4, but 5 and 7 cannot be in column 3, right? So 5 and 7 will be narrowed down to or locked down to these two cells. So that immediately gives us that we can eliminate the corner pencil mark from those cells. We notated 6 to one of row 4 column 1 or row 4 column 3. So we can get the 6 in row 4 column 3 now and remove the corner pencil marks, and that gives a 3 here now immediately. Yes, and because of the 3 here, we can place the 3 in row 4 column 5 now and remove the corner pencil marks from there. Does that give any more 3's? I don't think so. But we have cleanly marked a pair in row 4. If you see, there is a 1, 5 here in row 4 column 4 and a 1, 5 locked in row 4 column 8. That means 1, 5 cannot be in any of those cells. So this cell cannot be a 5 now. That is row 4 column 1 will be a 7. So this will be a 5. and we'll use a 9 to finish off row 4, and that gives a 9 in row 7 column 9, because 9 is in row 3 column 8, 9 is in row 4 column 7, and 9 is in row 8 column 1, which gives a 9 here. Hope you are able to follow until here. Okay, I am able to see something which is really advanced logic if you go by Wikipedia definition. So we have a 4-9 pair here, right? And we also have a 4-9 here. Now in any Sudoku, we can safely use the fact that it only has a unique solution. So because of that, since we have a 4 and 9 in row 1 column 2, we can deduce that row 1 column 3 cannot be a 4 and a 9. Now why am I saying this? Let us assume, I will mark in green that cell, let us assume for a second that row 1 column 3 is 4 9. So what happens now? In row 1 column 2 and row 1 column 3 we have 4 9 locked, and similarly in row 6 column 2 and row 6 column 3 we have 4 and 9 locked. So what happens is, even if you reach a solution in the Sudoku, you can always swap these two digits or these two digits to create two solutions for the Sudoku. At the start, if you remember, I said a Sudoku has only a unique solution. So because of that, this technique which is called unique rectangle can never occur in a Sudoku. This is an advanced logic, and you can often see such steps in harder Sudokus. So because of that, we can eliminate the 4 9 from there, right? And we can also eliminate the 9 from there. So that gives a 9 in row 1 column 2, because we cannot have a 9 here due to uniqueness. So this will be a 9 now. I hope it was clear to follow, and that gives a, I'll change the color back to black, so this will be a 9 now, and that gives a 9 here and a 4 here. Now we have to place 1, 2 and 4 in box 1, so we can pencil mark them, 1, 2, 4 and 1, 2, 4. Okay, let's focus a little bit on row 8. 2, 6, 7, 3, 5, 9 are placed. So remaining digits are 1, 4 and 8. So this will be a 1 or a 4 because 8 is there. So this will be 1, 4 and 8, and this will be a 1, 4 and 8. And row 6 we can focus a little bit now. 3, 6, 7, 4, 8, 9 are placed. 1, 2, 5 are ready to be placed. So this will be a 1 or a 2 because 5 is there. This will be a 1, 2 or a 5, and this will be a 1, 2 or a 5. Okay, that helps us now, because if you look closely at box 6, we have a triplet 1, 5, 1, 2 and 1, 2, 5. Now I'll take a step back and say that Sudoku, good classic Sudoku is always about finding pairs, triplets, hidden singles, and some advanced logics that we used earlier. So if you get to master at finding pairs and triplets, you will definitely post some really good times when solving a classic Sudokus. Now we have 1 5 here, a 1 2 here and 1 2 5 here. So 2 will be locked in one of these two cells in row 6. That can eliminate the 2 from row 6 column 5. So this will be a 1 or a 5. Now we have a 1 5 pair now in row 4 column 4 and row 6 column 5. So with that immediately gives us a digit of 9 here. So this will be 1 5 and this will be 1 5. We can eliminate the 1 from there now in row 8 column 5. So this will be a 2, right? 2, 6, 8, 9, 1, 3, 5 are placed. 4 and 7 are to be placed in row 5. So this will be 4, 7 and this will be 4 and 7, right? Is it okay to follow until here? I hope so. Now we have marked 1, 5, 7, 2, 3, 6 in box 8. The remaining digits are 4, 8 and 9, but 9 is in row 7 and 8, so we will get the 9 in row 9 column 5. Yes, so that gives us an 8 in row 8 and column 5. So the remaining digits is 4. And now if you look along column 5, 1, 5 and 6 are to be placed because 4, 8, 9, 2, 3, 7 have been placed already. So this will be a 1 or a 6 because 5 is there, and this will be 1, 5 or 6. Is that giving us any more digits? I don't think so. Let's focus along row 7 a little bit. 3, 4, 8 and 6, 7, 9 are placed. So the remaining digits are 1, 2 and 5. But because 5 is here in box 7, so that gives us the 5 in row 7. So this will be a 5, this will be a 1. We can remove the 1 from row 9 column 8. So this will be a 4, 5. And we can, because of this 1, we can notate rows 7 column 1 and row 7 column 3. That will be 1 and 2, and this will be 4 and 6. And because of 4 6 pair, we get the 5 here in row 9 column 8. That gives us a 1 here, a 4 here, a 1 here, all using classic rules. And because of this one, we get a 1 here, a 2 here, and we can place the 2 and 4 to finish off box 1, right? And that gives a 4 and a 6 to finish box 7. And now the remaining digits left out in box 9 are 1, 4 or 8. 1 and 4 are placed, so this will be 8. This is going to be a 1 or a 4. Okay. 4 in box 2 can go only in this cell because 4 is in column 5 and 4 is in row 1. I'll remove the corner pencil marks a little bit for clarity. So this will be 1 or a 5. Okay, since we have placed a 1 here, that gives us a 5 in row 4 column 4, a 1 here, a 6 here, a 5 here and 1 here, all using classic rules and with the help of pencil marks. And row 1 can be finished now. 1, 3, 5, 8, 2, 4, 9 are placed. 6 and 7 are to be placed, but 6 is in column 7, so this will be a 6 and this will be a 7. You can remove the corner pencil marks. Those are not going to help us now. We have almost finished the Sudoku. Okay, box 7 now has 1 and 2 yet to be placed, right? So those will go here and here. Sorry. This will be 1 or a 2, this will be 1 or a 2. And because of this one here, we get a 2 here. That immediately gives a 2 and a 1 here and a 5 here. And now box 9 can be finished 1 because of this one. So this is a 4, this is a 4 and this is a 7. And that completes this 5-star rated Hindu Sudoku. Hopefully you understood some techniques on how to solve a classic Sudoku faster. Pairs and triplets are always your friends in classic Sudokus. Keep making pencil marks. Notate in a way that that will help you identify pairs and triplets and solve you faster. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. We hope to cover more such videos soon. Thank you.